one Ivan Pavlov experiment. What is this experiment? Have you ever seen Ivan Pavlov? He is a Russian scientist and he has conducted the experiment on dog. What he did? He took the dog, he has given hot food to the dog, and whenever the food is ready, the bell is given. What is given? The bell is given. The dog used to run and consume the food. He did this for few weeks. He did this for few weeks. Then one day, what Pavlov did, Pavlov given the bell, but no food was there. There was no food plate. Still dog started salivating. How he can do that? Why dog did this? Why? It is because he has connected the bell ring with that of food. Whenever the bell is given, the food is ready. How during Ramadan, whenever siren is given, the dastar is ready, so we can consume our food in the similar way. So our brain has, yes, here also in the similar manner, the dog connected the bell ring with that of the food. And after few days performing this activity, when Pavlov given the bell ring, food is not there, but still dog started salivating as if there is some hot food. By this activity, we can say that, the thought of the food, the dog connected the bell ring with that of food. He thought that whenever the bell is given, food is ready. The thought of the food also, water your mouth. So here, a hot plate of biryani is ready. So when I'm saying, and a cool ice cream is ready. So how many of you, your mouths are getting watered by seeing these pictures? Of course, we all. So this is the common thing. By this Pavlov experiment, we can say that, thought of the food also feels us hungry. And coming to next is taste determination of solid material. There is one activity. For this activity, you need sugar. You can see here, you need a spoonful of sugar. After taking sugar, what you do? Protrude your tongue out. Protrude your tongue out. And sprinkle some sugar crystals on your tongue. Don't take your tongue inside. Just keep it out only. Do you get the taste of that sugar, sweet taste? Do you get the sweet taste of the sugar very quickly? Or it takes time? It takes time. Why? Because the sugar should melt, because your tongue is dry. You kept it out. Saliva is not released. When saliva is released, then the saliva mixes with the sugar and the taste can be felt easier or quicker. But here, as you are protruding your tongue out, the sugar crystals are there, but it takes long time. And when slowly when sugar melts, you can feel the taste of it. Or put the sugar crystals and just close your mouth. So your tongue touches the palate. This is your tongue. The tongue is touching the palate. So palate also plays a very important role. Whenever your tongue touches the palate, the salivary glands become activated and they release the saliva. So the food, taste of the food will be felt very quickly. Exactly. So that's it. That is also one more experiment. Gustatory receptors are present on the tongue. That stimulates the chemicals. These chemicals are connected again with the brain. So unless and until your tongue is pressed against the palate, you are not supposed to get the taste of that food. So can you determine by closing your mouth? Can you get the taste very quicker or just by opening your mouth? Yeah, when you close your mouth, you will get the taste better. So this is also one small activity to show how, these are playing an important role. Now coming to next is very important. After we came to know about digestion, how only thought of the food, need of the food, creating signals and all, and how different processes are connected. Let us see, once you put your food inside your mouth, what are the different organs of our body helps in the process of this. Let us see how they are coordinated. The circular muscles of the mouth enable the food to push into the oral cavity. So whenever you are putting the mouth, the circular muscles in the mouth helps you to move the food around when you are chewing. So how you are able to do that? It is all because of the circular muscles. Circular muscles helps in chewing of the food, and The teeth, can you see here all these teeth? Their teeth helps in grinding the food. Not only grinding, they help in chewing of the food. Not only chewing, it also helps in biting, tearing of the food. So different teeth have different role. The teeth that are molar and premolar helps in grinding and chewing. The teeth that are present at the front area, this area, helps in biting of the food, biting a biscuit, biting, any chips, all these things. And the canine teeth, the sharp teeth at the edges, helps in tearing of the food, flesh and all, whatever you do, that are teared by this. So all these are that. So whenever you are chewing the food, how many organs are working? Your teeth are working, your jaws, yeah, the upper jaw and also the lower jaw. Both the jaws helps in movement. So moving of this jaw helps the teeth, and it helps even in chewing of the food. Not only that, even the tongue, even the tongue also helps in moving the food from one direction to the other direction. So the muscles of the mouth helps the food to push in the oral cavity, so that the teeth, the jaws, the tongue, even the saliva helps in the process of mastication. Due to that, mouth is called as a munching machine. As the muscles, as the mouth, as the teeth, the tongue, the salivary glands helps in grinding the food or cutting the food into small pieces, we can say that mouth is called as a munching machine. Let us see a small video here, how you are taking the food inside the mouth. Now, let us see how your teeth, how your jaws are moving, how the tongue helping the food to move from one direction to the other direction. So the teeth, the jaws, yeah, you can see the side view, and then the food is swallowed. When you see the food is swallowed, the epiglottis helps in the, yes, you have seen the video, the epiglottis closing and the food goes only into the food pipe but not into the windpipe. So this is about why mouth is called as a munching machine.